Guys, we're at the Green River Gorge near the ghost town of Franklin. So we're walking down under the bridge, as you can see. There's the one-lane bridge down towards the Green River. And you've never been here before, right?
Nope.
So you saw pictures, I've posted pictures on the video of the springs back there. That was really cool. The water is just crystal clear, sweet and delicious. And here we are under the bridge. Well, we're gonna walk down to the river, the rock formations, and a really cool surprise I'll show you on the video. I got a surprise for you.
Hey.
All right, let's go. What an awesome stream and little waterfall coming down these old rickety wooden stairs. I probably shouldn't have had all those donuts the other day. But look at the river. Look. Now, one thing I want to point out, I think I'm going to tilt the camera. I don't know if it's going to make a difference. You see this waterfall right below me. Remember that waterfall. We're going to take a look at it again here in a minute. Here we have a place to sit. We have a waterfall coming down. So I was just telling the video, you see this waterfall?
Oh.
Remember this. This is important. We're going to see it again shortly, okay? Let's go take a look. Okay, we just came down those very slick rocks and stairs. But now we're going to walk into that little wooden structure for a moment. Let's go take a look. Watch your step. There's stairs here. So there were pumps and heating stuff in here. They used to have hot tubs. And then you're going to see hot tubs carved into the rock. And they would pump hot water into these carved out pools in the rock. So very cool. Let's take a look. Remember that waterfall?
Oh, pretty.
Look where we're gonna go.
Oh.
We're gonna go behind the waterfall. Look in here. Back in the day, this little pool was heated. So back in the day, the pool was heated.
Yeah.
Yeah, see the pipes, and you could sit here behind the waterfall.
Oh, you can even see the dynamite blasting.
Yeah. Isn't this crazy?
Wow.
So amazing. I'm gonna see if I can stick the camera out this way and get some good video. Wow, you'll have to come up, I don't know how far you can see back that way. If it was summertime and I didn't mind getting wet, I'd walk along that back wall and go over there.
There's another outlet truck over there.
I know, it's what I'm saying, it's crazy, isn't it? What a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful area. And you can see the rapids with the river coming down. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. How cool is that? I doubt it ever actually drove as an RV. They probably built a little tiny home on top of the old flatbed just to be an office or a bunkhouse or something. This is the old Green River Gorge Hotel. This used to be a hotel. I know a few years ago I visited here and they were manufacturing these inflatable devices for like lifting pontoons or things. If you had something submerged and you needed the large inflatable rafts or whatever to inflate and lift them up out of the water. That's what they were actually making here a few years ago. I don't know if they still do. There's no one here. But what an amazing old place. It would be so amazing to see it restored and back to its original glory and beauty. So beautiful. And now we'll walk back to the bike, and we're gonna go across the little bridge here, single lane bridge, go past the ghost town of Franklin. It's a mining town. And gonna have to do some research, and maybe I can find pictures of what this place looked like back when it was in its heyday. So, just beautiful. Shall we go?
Let's go.
Let's go.